my gosh, no way. Hello, welcome back. I'll try filming this with my recorder in record and not pictures. Bit of a mistake there. The picture I took when I thought I was stopping and filming is classic. Anyway, yeah, there's no mist today, nice and clear, beautiful day. The sky is absolutely cloudless apart from those clouds there. So yeah, I'm going to get down to the horseshoe or sheep's field there. So let's go see what we find. See you on the first. See what this is. What's that? Oh. Oh. There it is. Oh my gosh, no way. Pretty sure that is a gear change, sort of Sturmey Archer type. Give me a second, I'll clean it up and get back to it. I reckon Sturmey Archer. Well, I certainly know my gear change units. There is one Sturmey Archer, 3-speed, lever operated malarkey. Oh well, it's trash, but yeah, interesting. 70s and 80s and all that malarkey. Moving on.
You say you don't care how you look, how you feel, how you talk, how you
It's a nice coin-etastic. Signal. Coin-ish. It's right there. Yeah. Oh, you bugger. What a beautiful iron ring. Oh dear. Yes. Moving on.
take care of yourself till you die.
Well, I have absolutely no idea what this is. But I'm getting it out because it's big and it's like arrow shaped. I'll get back to you. Show you what the bloody thing is. Well, that's what it was. It's an electric, or mobile electric fence post, or electric fence post and anything point. Brilliant. What a find. Moving on. Oh, that's good. Interesting. It's going. It's ringing up. Say as in the golden, solid golden bronzy area. Alright. Deeper than I thought, and oh yeah, lots of brown stuff, flipping alright, yeah. Interesting. I'll get back to you when I've got it. Well, it's just an old, I don't know really, an old signal lamp, an old stove, an old nothing. It's old rubbish really. Trash, unfortunately. Shame, really. I couldn't get it out in one piece. Interesting then. Thing was on it. Oh god. Recognise that? That was obviously on it, part of it. Oh well. Rubbish, moving on. Signal was making my architecture. The Garrett Ace 250, of course. Go crazy. That was giving me a crazy weird signal, like almost a broken coin ping. I can see why now. I know it's not a number 7, but that is lucky 7 for me, I reckon. It is part of some brass signage, sign of some form. If you know where that's from or what it's off, give us a shout. It's going to be off some form of tractor, isn't it? Anyway, moving on, because I'm going to find gold now, as I've found my lucky 7. Or is it a wiper? Yes! I don't know. Or is it an L for loser? Moving on. That's in here. Oh. Yeah. There it is. A bit of copper or brass. Dark, so. Yep. Stuck to me. Well, it's stuck to me. That's the one. That's the pinger. Moving on. Found a little bit of lead. Good grief. Yeah, just a little bit. Yep, that is a little bit of lead. Flipping Nora. I did catch it. Crikey. I just cleaned it up and get back to it. A lead man. The lead man of here. Hello. Lead. Big piece of lead. Nice one. I have no idea. If anybody knows what that's used for, it's probably been cut to shape for something. Cornering, edging off a roof or something. I don't know. Oh well. Moving on. Bye. Hello, well, oh hello sheep, I'm being watched. I'm not sure whether that hole, which I can tell you now is, oh it's all worn off my spade, is about, well, that's how deep the hole is. Deep. In nettles, back of my hands are stinging like billy-o, that's the word. For that, yes, I don't know, bucket rim, probably, old bucket rim, fair play, but bloody bucket rim, or a, I don't know, oh yeah, Boris shite, rubbish. Oh well, that was fun. Whew, kept me warm. Oh, the sheep's got something dangling off it. I'm going to pull it off in a minute. It's a bit of twig. Right, moving on. Well, after that last trash incident, this better be good. It's ringing up as a coin. It's... oh, I was going to say, oh, it's going to be a ring pull, but it's not. It's whatever that is. Moving on. Well, so first for me out of this field, well, what's left of a little penknife. Not valuable, not that old, but hey, remembrance of a little penknife. Moving on. Well, that's one I haven't had, Vinos. Bit of cough medicine, you need all sorts out here in the fields. Moving on. Ooh. Trying to see what's in the clod with me. Of course you do. You want to see me find it? Well, just about to say it when it appeared. Can you guess what it is? Correct. You and me both. Jesus. Ugh. Moving right along. Okay, it's in here somewhere. Oh, it's a lovely coin. Oh yes, look at that. Trash. Oh. Moving on. I tell you what, that rang up nice. Brass catch. Probably from that the other lock thing I found. Oh, it's like a face look. Hello. There's a face and everything, isn't there? How you doing? Oh well, moving on. It's like being in B&Q in this corner, bloody hell. It's a little hinge of some form. Brass. Pinged up no end. More rubbish from my brass pot. Moving on. Is there a face in there? Yeah, look. Oh yeah. Moving on. Damn you. Moving on. That's good, exciting, or same old? Same old? Oh. Well, yes, it's molten lead. Oh God. Moving on. Well, let's see what this is, shall we? Oh my gosh. Tell you what, look at that. I found. And how these get here, I have no idea. Another, oh, ugh. That's full of water. Or something. Ugh. Perhaps it's a vial of poison. Yes. An enormous, another enormous brass knob. Moving double entendre like on. Yeah. That's 3. That's it. 3 strikes and you're out. Moving on. Well, that's it for another hunt. I didn't find much. Really, no coins, boo. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Hope I pleased you. Hope my hair don't look ridiculous. I've just taken my hat off. Yeah. So stay safe, fill your rolls, wear gloves. Good luck and happy hunting. And I'll see you at the roundup. Bye. Bye, sheep. Okay, here's a quick roundup. Not much really. Let me go into macro and I'll show you what I got. Okay, all the trash. That was that can thing. I think it was an old little cooker or something. I don't know. Trash. Rubbish, sorry. Bit of tinfoil. Melted lead. Bottle top. Bit of brass. There's another piece somewhere. I appear to have lost it. That little bit of aluminium. Should be 3 of those. I've lost one. Oh, there's a shame, eh? The lead man. 2 fasteners. Hasps, wherever they are. Big brass knob. That is, I'm pretty sure it's like the other ones. It's for putting on ram's horns. That's just a big one, I think. I don't think it's a door handle because it's got the thread inside. Nice iron ring. Sturmy Archer 3-gear changer. I mentioned the little. Oh yeah. It's a pen knife. Knackered, but you know, there it is. And the big Y. L 7, wherever it is. It did not bring me luck. So there it is. That's a roundup for this little hunt. See you with the next. Take care. Bye.